This is a very short story of how I lost 10k in the forex industry. So it's not been too long ago when the prop firm industry started exploding in the forex market and everybody wanted to trade the prop firm. But I was not on that line. I believe in trading personal funds and scaling up, because prop firm itself just gives you an opportunity to trade larger funds. But in this aspect, you are only given 5% of everything you have to trade and to pass the challenge by making another 5% of that money. So I'm using 5% to make 5%. Doesn't add up, right? So when you're using 5% to make 5%, the risk is not really there, except like when you are trading, you divide your risk to 0.5, then you have like 10 tries to pass a prop firm account. For passing a prop firm itself is just a challenge. It's not really how you should trade. But if you scale like that, it will take a long while to pass a prop firm account depending on your strategy and your risk to reward. So prior to what everybody saw on social media, I didn't really know the intricacies of how to trade a prop firm account. I only knew you were risking 5 to make 5. That was just it. So that 5 is like 100%, and you should have expected to make 100% in a week or a month, or depending on the prop firm. So I took a prop firm challenge, easy 10k prop firm account, to just see how this thing actually works. So the prop firm I used, the platform looked very complex to me, so I just tried to navigate easily how to go about it. I took my first trade in Euro USD to just see how it played out, and yeah, the peak movement and everything was looking good. But ultimately, I think I lost that trade with about $45 loss or something like that. I won my second trade and third trade in AUD USD, and ultimately I was trading gold. After like 2 or 3 days, I was trading gold, and there was a news that day, and that news took out the entire account, and that was how I lost the entire 10k, and that was it. Yeah, so I just said I should just drop this short story on my first prop firm account, and that's the only prop firm account I've bought. I've not really been into prop firm like that, because I mostly trade the synthetic indices myself, so I don't really look to trade prop firm at all. Yeah, thanks for watching.